In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. This is an important task to keep your accounts accurate and make sure your customer transactions reflect what has actually happened in real life. We'll go through the process step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. This is the main sign-in page for Zoho Books. Log in with your usual account details, and once you're signed in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. This dashboard gives you an overview of your business finances, but for now, we're going to move straight into the section that deals with customer transactions. From the main navigation menu, look for the option labeled Sales. This is where Zoho Books groups together everything related to your customers, such as invoices, estimates, and payments you've received. Go ahead and click on Sales. If you have multiple modules listed, make sure you're in the Sales area before you continue. Within the Sales section, find and click on Payments Received. This page shows you all the payments that customers have made to you, whether they were for invoices, retainers, or other sales-related charges. Take a moment to look over the list so you understand the layout. You'll typically see the date, customer name, payment number, amount, and status. Now, you'll want to locate the specific payment that you're refunding. In this case, we're interested in payments that have already been marked as paid. Use any filters or search options available, and then select the payment that has the status paid. Click on that payment to open its detailed view. This is where you can see how the payment was applied and other related information. Once you're inside the payment details screen, look for an option or button labeled Refund. This is the feature Zoho Books provides to properly record money you've returned to the customer. Go ahead and click Refund. When you do this, Zoho Books will open a refund screen or a dialog box. On the refund screen, you may be able to confirm or adjust details such as the refund amount, the date of the refund, and the account or bank through which you're issuing the money. Even though the original steps are very short, it's a good idea to double check these fields so that your accounting records match what actually happened at the bank. If you're issuing a partial refund, make sure the amount reflects only what you returned, not the full original payment. After you've reviewed everything and you're confident the details are correct, click Save. This final action records the refund in Zoho Books. The system will now show that the original payment has been refunded, either fully or partially, depending on what you entered. This ensures your reports, customer statements, and account balances are all updated and accurate. That's all you need to do to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. Go to the site, head to Sales, open Payments Received, choose the paid payment, click Refund, and then save your changes. If you repeat this process each time you issue a refund, your books will stay clean and consistent.